All right, guys. So for today's lecture, we are looking at key signatures, and we're looking at them in the treble clef. All right. So we have this question: what is the major key signature for each of the following? But before we get to that part, I want to answer the question or the idea of what is the key signature even about? Okay, so the key signature lets us sing higher or lower or play notes higher or lower and still be in the same song. Okay, and when we are reading notes, what the key signature does is it makes any note, no matter where it is at, if it is the same letter as where the accidentals are on the key signature, then those notes are also sharp or flat. So let's take a look at this one right here. This one, we have no sharps or flats, so no matter where we are at, there is no sharp or flat from our key signature. This one, we have one flat right there. That flat is on the third line. The third line is a B. Okay, so any B, no matter where it is at, is also a B flat. Okay, so if I have a note right here on this third line, okay, that note right there, that is a B flat. Now also if I have a note down here on the second space below the staff, that one is also a B, but because of the key signature, it would be a B flat. Now above the staff, we also have same deal. That one is also a B on the second space above the staff, but because of the key signature, this one would be a B flat. All right, let's take a look at this one. This one we have one sharp, and we need to figure out where that is at. So E, G, B, D, F, that one is on the F line. So this F right there, that one is an F sharp. Okay, and also this F right there, that one would also be an F sharp. Okay, so these key signatures make anything, no matter where they are at, if it has the same letter name, a sharp or a flat, based off of the key signature. Now let's go ahead and go back and answer those questions for numbers 21 through 24. The answers to those questions right here in the vocabulary and study sheet. So I'm looking at no sharps, no flats. That's the first one there. That one is the key of C. C. And we should actually have key of C major right there. All right, and then this next one, we have one flat in the key signature, so this is the key of F major. And this next one, we have one sharp there in the key signature, so this is the key of G major. And finally, this last one, it is saying one flat. Which type of key signature has one flat? And that is the key of F major. All right, so that is all we have to the sharps and flats with our key signature. We are only learning 3 key signatures. There are a total of 15 key signatures, and each one has both a major and a minor key that go along with each of those key signatures. So there are a total of 30 to learn. Today we are just learning our first 3. Remember, be better than you were yesterday.